Most people get this wrong. They think all finance apps are the same. Core Wealth in 2026 proves that a well-designed app can actually make your money work smarter, not harder. Core Wealth is primarily focused on automated savings and goal-based planning. You can set multiple goals, like building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or paying off debt. The app then automatically allocates money from your linked accounts toward these goals based on your income and spending habits. Most users underestimate how powerful this automated approach can be. Small, consistent contributions often outperform manual saving strategies. One standout feature is predictive analytics. Core Wealth monitors your income, spending trends, and upcoming bills to recommend personalized saving amounts. It even flags potential overspending before it becomes a problem. The surprising truth is that proactive alerts like this can prevent hundreds of dollars in fees and missed payments each year. The app also includes real-time dashboards that show your progress toward each goal. Visual feedback is more than motivational. It helps you stay accountable and make smarter financial choices. Core Wealth integrates seamlessly with most U.S. bank accounts and credit cards, making it easy to track all your finances in one place. Security is a top priority. Core Wealth uses bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication, and your money never sits in the app itself. It remains in your own accounts. Support is available through chat and email, so help is always accessible when you need it. Limitations: Core Wealth doesn't offer traditional banking services or investment options. It's purely focused on helping you save smarter. But if your goal is to create better money habits and make your savings grow without constant effort, it's a tool worth considering. So, is Core Wealth app worth it in 2026? Absolutely, especially if you want a simple, automated, and intelligent way to take control of your finances. Subscribe for more reviews that help you make smarter money decisions.